Assalamualaikum, we are from 2G Group 3. Here I will start with introduction of the assignment 1. Every state in Malaysia has its own methods for handling and purifying water, which is a necessary component of our everyday existence. This presentation will concentrate on Penang, a state renowned for its high water use and level development. We show Penang location, the raw water sources, and the challenge it had in supplying clean water. Along with describing the state water purification procedure, we will also discuss the function of PBAPP, the Water Supply Authority. Comprehending Penang water treatment practice enable us to appreciate the significance of appropriate water management for both the environment and human health. Our group are formed with 4 members.
Hello, my name is Ibnu Lokman. Today I would like to talk about Penang's geographical map and the available raw water sources on the map. Rivers, blue wavy lines. At the top, the primary supply of raw water in the Sungai Muda is Muda River. Additional, rivers such as Sungai Jawi, Sungai Kecil and Sungai Pinang are also displayed. Dams, green triangle symbols. These collect and store raw water before treatment. Example, Teluk Bahang Dam, Air Hitam Dam and Mengkuang Dam. Catchments, outlet rain areas. Rainwater collect in these places and then flow into river or reservoirs. Canal, yellow lines. The Sungai Dua Canal, for instance, transport raw water from Sungai Muda to the Sungai Dua treatment plant.
So my name is Dini and I will talk about the problems related to clean water supply in the state of Penang. So first, our dependence on external water source. Penang relies heavily on Sungai Muda, a river that originates in Kedah. The interstate dependency means any conflict or policy change in Kedah could significantly impact Penang's water supply. Second, geographical limitation. Penang Island has limited catchment areas and relies on water pipe from the mainland through submarine pipelines. The setup poses risks if there are disruptions. So third, limited reservoirs and dams. There are only a few reservoirs and dams indicating limited storage capacity. This could become a critical issue during dry spells. Fourth, urban and industrial growth. With rapid urbanization, the demand for water is increasing. Industrial discharge also raises the risk of water pollution. Next, aging infrastructure and treatment plants. Many treatment plants, especially in areas like Sungai Dua and Air Hitam, are facing overload risk, particularly during peak demand periods. Lastly, climate change and environmental concerns. Penang's catchment areas are limited, which affects rainfall collection, a crucial factor as climate patterns become more unpredictable.
My name is Adi. I will explain about authority responsible for developing, supplying and managing clean water to end users in Penang. Perbadanan Bekalan Air Pulau Pinang or PBAPP is the water supply corporation who are responsible for providing clean and clean water to the residents of Penang. As a cooperative state-owned enterprise, PBAPP operates under the full control and supervision for the Penang state government while maintaining utility service standard. 4 key responsibility, which is the first one is water resource management. PBAPP manage Penang water supply by extracting raw water from Sungai Muda, Sungai Dua and dams like Air Hitam and Teluk Bahang. Heavy reliance on Sungai Muda, which is shared with Kedah, that requires careful management for a long-term stability. PBAPP plans explore alternative sources and use advanced water catchment system to prevent shortage and ensure supply resilience. S1 is water treatment and quality insurance. PBAPP provides safe, clean water through regions treatment at plants like Sungai Dua Water Treatment Plant, the largest facility of its kind in Malaysia, while treatment process complying with Ministry of Health and SPAN standards. Regular tests check for bacteria, heavy metals and turbidity, especially during monsoons. The third one is distribution and infrastructure maintenance. PBAPP operates Penang 5,500 km water network with strategic pumps and reservoirs, using smart leak detection to maintain low NRW, which is only 50%, that ensure a reliable supply and sustainable management for the state needs. Last but not least is sustainability and future initiative. PBAPP is future-proofing Penang water supply by upgrading infrastructure in growing areas, exploring destination use options beyond Sungai Muda, and promoting water-saving awareness, creating a sustainability system for urban and climate challenge. Thank you.
So here is the sources of raw water for water treatment in Penang. First, Muda River, Sungai Muda. This is Penang's main source of raw water. In Penang, this river provides more than 80% of the treated water. The Sungai Dua Water Treatment Plant is Penang's largest treatment plant and where water is abstracted. Secondly is Teluk Bahang Dam. It is situated in Penang Island, northwest. Water is supplied to places like Teluk Bahang and Batu Peringgi. Next is Air Hitam Dam. Air Hitam and the surrounding areas are served by this local reservoir, mostly used as a backup or in dry spells. Last but not least is Mengkuang Dam, Seberang Jaya, mainly serve as a storage dam to sustain the Sungai Dua plant during the times of excessive demand or drought.
Welcome, my name is Muhammad Syakmal. I will explain the raw water treatment process applied in Penang. The first one is water collection, raw water source. Primary source Sungai Muda, which is situated in the boundary between Kedah and Penang. is the primary source of raw water. Catchment areas located in red border green zone, particularly in the middle hills of the island and close to Bukit Bangkok in Seberang Perai. Next is distribution. Means blue line carry treated water to urban rural areas. Customer cares. The positive icon indicates service location for public assistance and monitoring. The third one is storage and pumping. Reservoir as a blue line, a blue circle, store treated water for distribution. The pump house, red squares, help in maintaining pressure and moving water across region, especially across terrain and long distance. The fourth one is water treatment plants. Key facilities is Sungai Dua Water Treatment Plant. It is the largest and most important water treatment facility in the receive raw water from Sungai Muda and treat it using standard process, coagulation, sedimentation, filtration and disinfection. Other smaller plants include Air Hitam, Waterfall, Bukit Bangkok. This serve local areas and both the island mainland. The last day is water conveyance. Canals and river in Sungai Dua Canal transport raw water from Sungai Muda to Sungai Dua Water Treatment Plant. The pipeline and mains, this blue line are used to distribute raw water by between Penang Island and the main island. Purified water is transported by submarine pipelines.